All right, we just completed a 10-hour check. About 4 months ago, we remanufactured this 1997 175 EFI Merc for a customer. Had a blown head gasket, got some water in it, so that's what took it out. Bass boat, so it's really clean. It's never seen fresh water. The customer, unlike a lot of customers, don't take very good care of their boat. This customer happened to take very good care of it. So, but I mentioned, I said, did your tack work? And he said, no. But I knew what RPM it was supposed to do. I hadn't changed propellers, so I figured that would be okay. Well, if your tack doesn't work, you need to know that tack works off your charging circuit, and it goes through a regulator. This was his little regulator. It was burnt, fried. That's why his tack didn't work. Now, in the absolute worst case, it'll set your motor on fire. In this case, it just didn't charge the battery as well as it should have. It probably still got half the voltage because there's actually two of these. So, when you think your tack is not important on an outboard motor, you really need to change it, fix it, look into it, because you might not be charging your battery, and you also might be getting ready to burn your boat up. So, all right, that's it.